Hey everybody, it's Gary the Google Guy here, and today I want to give you a little bit of an insightful piece of information that I see all too often from people trying to use Gemini within Gmail. Now, what I've seen the most from my clients is that probably the top 3 use cases that they use Gemini for is to summarize massive email threads, draft and polish messages, and digging deep buried information like a superpowered search type of bit with Gemini. And this right side panel is what we're talking about. So let me give you a little bit more help here. So another couple of things that you can do, and this is going to help you be a little bit more organized, is you could ask Gemini to look at your Gmail and then figure out what type of things to help you with, which we're going to show you today on how to do filters and labels based on what you have in your account. So let's go with the first one. At the bottom right corner of my screen, we're adding it into the prompt box of just looking at my Gmail. Suggest what filters in my Gmail should I create to help me be more organized. So let's go ahead and try that one. It should be looking at your email within your account and then making suggestions based on. And this is not just your inbox, it's looking at your entire account. Now you could be specific and say, just look at my inbox and go from there. And you'll see it's giving me some suggestions in terms of the delegation pieces that I get. I get calendar notifications, and it actually gives me the suggestion where to create the information from, project-specific correspondence, and so on. And then it walks me through how to create it. So this may be something that if you've already got filters in place, you could say what additional filters, or are there any that I should delete or update, change, tweak, whatever you want to call it, and work with Gemini on that front. Now, another piece that we could do is along those same lines, we could do something in terms of look at my Gmail and suggest any new labels I should create to help me stay organized. So these are two of the biggest things that people use for organization within their inbox is going to be the labeling piece, and then there's also going to be the filters, and they can be used hand in hand. So this might be something that you want to look at with your own account. Give it a try, see what it does, and you'll see it's coming up with some label names for me already of training and strategy, meetings and scheduling, internal to my company, project updates, and so on. And you can ask it to get very detailed. My prompt up at the top here, fairly generic, just to kind of cover all realms, but you could be very specific around your type of emails that you get. So I just wanted to throw that out there as just a suggestion on how to use Gemini in Gmail, because that's probably one of the most common questions I get with people starting with Gemini in Gmail specifically, of other than just creating a simple email or summarizing, what else can I do with this tool? And these, I think, are two super helpful ones for you to get started with. Until we meet again, another tip, trick, hack, or update, this is Triple G, Gary the Google Guy, signing off.